So let's learn how to create a LinkedIn lead generation form from scratch. So under the assets, you can go into the lead generation form. And from here, you can click on create form. Now, lead generation form you can use with the lead generation campaign objective. Also, you can use with a variety of ad formats, let's say single image ads, carousel ads, message ads, conversation ads. So click on create from here. You can give the name of the form. Name of the form can resemble your content offer. So let's say we are doing 7 steps to get ROI from SEO. Language, you can keep it as English. If your ads in another languages, you can select it from here. But for this example, we are keeping it as English. Headline corresponds to your content offer. So what exactly is your content offer? So if it is a guide content offer, you can put this under brackets, guide, and put your content offer. It's a checklist, you can put checklist. If it's white paper, you can put white paper. If it's an on-demand webinar, you can put on-demand webinar. So here you can just put what the content offer is. So let's say 7 steps to get ROI from your SEO efforts. The maximum character length here is 60 characters. In the details, you can expand this offer. So you can touch upon the pain points or the motivations that this offer is hitting. So the maximum character length here is 160 characters. You can, so let's say, learn how to increase sales from your SEO program. Then you can select what information you need from the prospect. So by default, it is selected first name, last name, email address. So I would highly recommend to, instead of email address, you can just start with the work email. So you can select here contact and click on the work email from here. You can also click on this box of validate work email so that you only get work email. Apart from that, there are other options also which you can, if you want, you can get that. Let's say country, state, province, or the best thing is to get LinkedIn profile URLs, because once you get the LinkedIn profile URL, other information you can get from there. Then there are other options as well. Let's say work, job title, job function, seniority, company name, website, industry, etc., education, demographics. Apart from that, there are 3 custom questions also you can ask. Now this could be a multiple choice custom question, or this could be a single line input that you can ask. Privacy policy is something that is mandatory, so you need to enter your privacy policy here. This is a confirmation message. So once they have submitted the form, this is what the message they would see. So let's say thanks, please download the guide now, and you can change the CTA to download now and put the link of the guide here. Another thing which you can do is to take them to your Calendly link and book an appointment. So you can click on this option here and you can put your Calendly URL here. So once they have submitted their information, they have the option to book an appointment with you. In case they are not interested, they will just put no thanks, or if they are interested, they can book it from here, book now. So in either case, you would anyways be getting their information because they have submitted the form. Booking an appointment or not is something that depends upon them. So this is how you can create a LinkedIn lead generation form from scratch. Thanks so much.